Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Yahoo in Google Chrome and set a search engine that you prefer. So without any further ado, let's get the process started. So when you open your Google Chrome and visit a website like Pinterest, you can see here that the Yahoo search engine is active. It has this at the left top of my screen and as well as here at the upper right side of my screen also. So in order to completely remove or deactivate this search engine, we'll undergo easy steps. And first is you need to locate the three dots here at the upper right top of your screen and simply click that to see more. Once done, scroll down to find settings. The moment you find settings, just tap it to open. Okay? So once you're being redirected here at the settings, go at the left side of it and you can see here it has a list of options. In this manner, we will be going to search engine next to appearance. Okay, here under the search engine, you can see there that the Yahoo Philippines is in default. Now in order to change this or to remove, just simply click this change aligning with that and it has this search engines that you can choose to. You can go with Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, I know, since you'll be removing this, Equusha, DuckDuckGo, and any of these options that you want to or you prefer. Okay, so let's say you'll be going to Google, just simply click set as default to activate it. Now it has this Google is now your default search engine. So in this manner, we have just easily removed the Yahoo search engine in your Google Chrome. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.